I'm doing a 16 by 20 canvas. This is my very first teaching video. I'm flying by the seat of my pants. Behind me is cooking, so if you see a whole bunch of mess, I'm sorry about that. Hope everybody's safe. I'm going to use some colors I'm not used to. I have a manganese blue, but I don't think I'm going to use it. I have a copper with a modern mastered red in it, Sergeant's copper, black Amsterdam, a champagne by Art Minds, gold by acrylic, PBA acrylics, and then my mysterious, and then I have a white artist loft with some silver in it by Goldens. And my flow extender, if I do need it, is leftovers, and it really is all it is black with mysterious and a little bit of gold in it and copper, so it's really deep. I wanted to do a ring pour. I'm not really sure, a traveling ring pour, and then see what goes from there. So I guess I need a cup. And I'm going to use one of these. Sorry you can't see it. I'll work on that too. So I'm going to use a little bit, instead of white, because I was thinking about white as the flow extender because it is thinner. I'm going to use, actually champagne's a little bit thin too. So some paints are a little thinner. A little bit of champagne. Some beige. And then mysterious, and then gold. This is just way too big of a cup, and a little bit of black. These are not my colors I usually use. And we'll do copper, and do the mysterious again. And I'm going to put the red now to it, and then some more gold, and some black. You notice I didn't use any more of that beige. I'm just really not into champagne colors. Oh, why not? Let's use some more red. And this time I'm going to use copper. Mysterious, gold, some more black. This is so dark. Wow. I usually have my green yellows, my other shades of teals. Let's do some, always have my mysterious. Thank you, Gale, from Life and Splatters, for helping me recreate that, because I am very happy now. Gold, and black, wish I had I just don't want that blue. I'm just not going to do blue. Do a little bit more red. And the copper. Why not? Finish up the mysterious. Maybe I have a big one batch of that. And black. And finish up gold. Alright, so what should we do? Not get it on your canvas. So I could flood the canvas, but I'm thinking I might go ahead and use this float extender this time. I actually am going to try a ring pour. I haven't done one in a while. So let's see, what do we have? I have some more gold. Let's put gold here. And that's sort of like follow a yellow brick road or follow the gold road. And we're going to pour. So dark. Oh, you're so dark. Alright. Well, so now that I know I have that, I'm just going to just pour it straight around the edges. Give it an extra dimension. Oh, now the beige comes out. Just give it a little bit of a contrast. Since there is some beige a little bit, might just put just a tiny bit around. I actually probably could use that as my fluid extender. It's so I really need it. You know what? Heck with it. See how it's just goes out anyway. I don't know. I had a question about that. I've had, when Art Minds and all had a sale, I buy a lot, but I opened this one up and the paint was actually settled in and divided, which was, then I used my OXO spatula. And you could actually see the different pigments that are making this. And believe it or not, I thought I had something really seriously wrong because there's a black underbase into this. So that is a bonus, so you know that it does that. Oh, might as well go earth colors. Oh, I was going to talk. I was just going to pour and let you see it, but oh well. It's just me. Oh, bloody hell. Oops, sorry. Flick it. And that lamp, I got, Santa brought me an early gift. Of course, I'm Santa. It's just, most people know that it's just Stan and I now. So that is pretty cool. And look at, if you could see, I can't go any farther down on that stender. There are some cells in there, and it's beautiful cells. I like just leave it like this, but you can't. Where's my torch? There it is. Let's move all the paint first out of the way. Oh, wait till you see. Oh, see, look at that on the bottom. Isn't that cool? I always loved the way paint sits on the bottom of the cup. Actually, you're supposed to torch another, but I wanted to let paint sit and sell up. Deco Art does. Did I use any Deco Art? No, I didn't use any Deco Art. Oh, darn. Obviously, it sells. It's a little bit thin. If you see anything. I see a big thing. And no, I don't have any tweezers. That didn't make a bad mess. I have to figure out how to, I hope y'all can see this. This is pretty cool. Now, let's roll the sleeves up and get busy. I'm like, that out of the way for a minute. I don't use gloves. So, what do I like the best? And where is my paint? Where does the paint sit? It's up top mostly. Let's just tilt it. Ooh, this is a good view. Let it catch the corner. Yay. It did it right. Alright, who else talks to their paintings like, come on, baby, you can do this. Ah, I love those cells. Maybe I will like red. I wear red. It's funny, yeah. Maybe I have a little bit too much frost in there. I love that center. Let's go ahead and go over here. Oh, my finger ran out of paint. Slow and easy. Yeah, it's a little bit more fluid into than I planned. Maybe I'll keep that little bit of ghost pattern. Sorry about saying no tax. Sorry about that. So, oh, that white celled. I like that. That is pretty. Let's center it a little bit more. Just try to go this way. Oh, great. On the floor. I'll pick it up in a minute. I like that. I don't know. Obviously, I didn't center it good enough. Oh, boy, I never seen the white cell like that. That is crazy. Yeah, have something different. Let's see what's going on. Looks like a frog face. Oh, wow. Finally, I get the cells. I was doing that Gale cube with the thing one night, trying to get the, I think she calls them the bubble cells or whatever. I'm so bad at things right now. It's very late. Actually, I don't want to stretch everything. It's almost like paint's finished moving. Look at the edges. You should see it. It's like snow on the back, and believe me, it's like a couple inches of snow out there. Oh, I hate that. I hate touching up the sides and then you mess up the sides. It's like, come on, drip down there so I don't have to worry about you. That's why you should leave some in the cup. Note to self. So, that's a very quick video. I don't even think I'm going to do any smears or anything. It actually turned out pretty darn awesome. And I bet these white cells will just keep going and going and going. Which is neat because it's all on the whole side of the canvas. Except right there because I missed. And maybe the cells will go inward. And as you can see, there's cells that And what's interesting is there's red. It's like, here's the black, and then red, teal, and then the red. And it looks like a shadow. That one looks like a shrimp. Well, let me wash my fingers. While you... One thing, what's in my pocket? Not seeing. The only thing I don't really like, and I don't want to move anymore because it's actually, as you can see, it's getting the cells around. Oh my gosh. See, that's what happens when you don't plant it, it happens. So that was a good idea. I said the only thing right here is I don't mind the layer, the black and the teal and the red. It almost looks like a shadow. But there's a blob right there that just is driving me nuts. Let's torch this bad boy. I love designs. I love this gold and, you know, in it because it has so many deep effects. Just really wish I knew what to do with that. Blob. Even that one spot of the white, I'm just going to leave it there. I'm hoping the cells come up here too, but it's always on one side. So 3 sides. The top and the bottom. You little stinkers aren't doing as well. Alright. I don't want to bore y'all with that, but I just don't like it. I'm going to walk away from it, but right now I'm going to turn this off, and then I'm going to show you what it is and give you an idea, and then I'll show you the finished piece when it's dry. Thank you.